for you, Nna Mehn. I just say you be a Kamano. I don't say you be Igbo. Chineke Gakpo Okun. Chukwu Ika Agbor go destroy that your level into the waka wako carry Agbor. They ask them question if they be Biafra.
Hello people, how on a day? I just watched a video now and I was disappointed. This lady in this video was speaking Igbo and yet raining abuses on people who are trying to unite Igbos. She is angry that Nna Mehn Tv is going into other places outside Southeast that speaks the language called Igbo and unifying them, trying to see how we relate. Because you wonder why somebody will speak a language and will want to distance from you. Now you ask yourself, why do we have meetings, village meetings? Why do we have meetings involving associations? The reason are because you are like minds. You have something that unites you. What unites us? Forget about the divide and rule map. It wasn't Southeast from the start. It was Eastern region. And there was a time, even before Eastern region, there was nothing like this regional map from the start. We just had relationship. We moved to places, even before the Onitsha Bridge was there, we interact with people in the other side. We use boats, we cross to the other side, we interact with them. So it's a kind of continuing the relationship, irrespective of the maps. There was a time, Midwest, this is called Midwest, this is called Eastern region. Before you know it, these people are placed in South, Southeast. Who did those maps? These are the divide and rule people. And what Nna Mehn TV has been doing is, let's unite people who are speaking this language. We are not just speaking this language, no. There is a reason why we are speaking this same language. And the most sweetest thing you will notice from anybody is the person wanting to have a relationship with you. Yes. You have your village meetings, then you have the broader meetings, state meetings. You could say meeting of Ndi Anambra, meeting of Ndi Imo, meeting of Ndi Ebonyi, meeting of Ndi Enugu, meeting of Ndi Abia. Then you have meeting of Igbo people. People that speak one language. So when you see somebody who is on such a move to unite them, the person is doing a good thing. But I felt so bad the way this lady was attacking Nna Mehn TV. Can you imagine? She even said they are waiting for him, they will break his legs. And you know why I felt so bad? If she was saying this in English, it will be softer. But this time around, she was running the abuses in an Igbo. The Igbo is Ika Agbor that I so much understand. Everything she said was so plain to me. And you know what? People who hate to see us unite are the ones spreading this video. I got this video from the page of somebody who doesn't want to see us unite. And this is what they want. And some people are helping them to promote the rubbish. People who don't want to see Igbos unite are the people who are fast spreading this video. I will share the video for the sake of viewing sake, so that you understand what I'm saying.
As for you, Nna Mehn, I just say you be Agbor man. Make I clean my blood. I just say you be a Kamano. I don't say you be Igbo. Chineke Gakpo Okun. Chukwu Ika Agbor go destroy that your level into the waka wako carry Agbor. They ask them question if they be Biafra. Or God go better for you. And as it stands, so you being declared wanted. Anywhere they see you for Delta State, Ika State, may they break your leg. Anywhere they see Nna Mehn in Delta States, if they carry microphone waka, may they shoot your leg so that you go sit down for wheelchair, you don't go anywhere again. We don't want Biafra for our states. You they feel me? I'm talking, I'm sweating because yes, everywhere they hot, but everywhere they cold. But to tell you, say, you inside me dey wear for na rubbish. You dey feel me? Nna Mehn, Ogun go destroy you and Amadioha go shatter your leg. If you dare put your leg again for all these places when I mention, so you say you want to go in Michael. Ishi Michael Gakuburi. You dey hear me, Nna Mehn? May God punish you. I just say that Deka man, no. I just say that Agbor. That's why they keep cool with them. I don't know, say it come from the one of the 5 states. They use time, they find how they want to interview people. May they say, oh, referendum don't come. Look at people. And God call they punish them. They call they meet people where they tell them the truth of life. God want punish them. They call they meet people where they tell them the reality. Like the way go hang with that our Anyoma princess. Anyoma princess, they tell them, say, you are from Southeast. You maintain your Southeast, let us maintain us. Our priority is to make Anyoma people to become one and to be harmony and everything. To love themselves. And it send you message Nna Mehn to go do the same. Amadioha go magwogi. Ogudumego from a village go destroy you. That what they call them head bridge gonna destroy because of war. It go destroy you. It go destroy you. Stay away from our state, Nna Mehn. If you don't take time, we go use you to bombo. Not be shoot bed. I think we start. Is that time we start using you to show example? Stay away from our territory. We are not Biafra, and we will never be Biafra. I am saying this with all my heart. Never in your life, Nna Mehn, say you dey go in Nike, say you dey go a car, or you dey go Rogodo, you dey go Agbor, you dey go all these places. One go they find out whether Igbo people, whether they go use tie, they agree to say we are Biafra. Any chief will go try am, any king will go try am. Now we make you the king. Now we'll give her to you. We go bury you alive. I am not joking. If you not say that joke, I do joke. Make una come aside. I will tell you so that the daughter of the soil. Now they send crucial message to you people. Ika Agbor Facebook or this one. I be daughter of the soil. Jajuku Esing, Ogbesokma, Orogodo. I be daughter of the soil. Any traditional ruler want come and say, if they tell us say, it be in Ancient day we are from Biafra, we go bury you. We go bury you, not be shoot bury mama fly. We go look for another king where they born as a king and replace you. Una dey hear so? Say they can't give you money, you want all they talk. Except say you are not from that place. Except say you are not from Delta, you are not from Ika. Now you go to talk rubbish. Now I think they respect our princess today. You hear what they talk? You hear what she talk? I don't play the video for here before. So Nna Mehn, it be like say we go use you to show example. So that you must this your leg when they be cricket, so make you know how you take enter your house. From your 5 states, they go unite your criminals, reunite your betrayers. Then let them stop betraying themselves before they will call the ask for a country because they never they unite with it themselves. Nna Mehn, make sure you bring that harmony for your people. Make sure your people are they know themselves first before you go they carry and they go Benin before you they carry and go any other place. You dey hear me, Nna Mehn? As it stands, so with our eyes on you. I was thinking you are an Agbor man. I was thinking you are a car man. Where they want to do Biafra. No, say you be Connie from one of the 5 places for 5 states. To call the few style, they use style, they find referendum. Oga Adregema. Manekwe manoke manori manafo. Oga Adregema. Now me they tell you. For that reason, they will not see you for data. They will not see your leg. If we see you, we will remove one of your leg. This will not be Facebook threatening. This will not be what they call them gentle threatens. This one are the queen threatens. Now you they see so. We go I get bepu okugi. We go cut your leg, so that when you sit down for a wheelchair, you will know what you do to yourself. You say if you come. That is, we go cut your leg. You understand? You don't declare you wanted now. Everybody will go see Nna Mehn for Delta States. for Agbo and Nyoma then cut off his leg. You understand? This one not be gentle treatment saga or threatening the with the way they talk what they do. And they buru me no kwe. I ne mayor. Not be all this one ranty rubbish. One they do they deceive on themselves. They say Biafra they one corner. That is not business. Or Pasaragonu. You dey hear me so? I was thinking that Nna Mehn are from one of the Delta states. And not say come from Southeast. And you know what they do? He's trying to look for a way to do referendum. By carrying a camera to go ask our mama them, our papa them about history of Biafra, if they are Biafra. If they are not Biafra, God will bless that Ikwerema. When still open bluntly and say that we are not Biafra, that they are not Biafra, and they can never be Biafra. Una go there alone. Shebona sabi do evil. Una go there alone. Nobody will hear your cry. Nobody. Nobody. You go sha, nobody. Now you go by yourself. Pack yourself, go sit down for your 5 states. Now you go by yourself, Pack yourself, enter home. You know chop Biafra and war here. You know chop Biafra roads so that when Nigeria destroyed, then everybody go come there waiting. Just the one that destroy you. Now one of people recover from here. Just 50 something years now. 50 something one that manage. They get up. They arrange. When I not show example, Calling not let you see road. Betrayers not let you see road. Hating on your brother not let you see road. Masterminding or masterminding with your people, you not let you see road. Don't know they say na Fulani oh, Fulani. Look at you. No. Look at you. All the time when I hear all the Southeast governors, they don't come together to build one waiting call for Southeast. You don't hear, they don't talk the matter again. They don't talk the matter.
Hello, have you people heard the lady? Oh my God, I feel so sad. I feel so sad watching her. Can you imagine? Her Igbo is so clear to me. Her Igbo is so clear. Even all the abuses, everything she was saying is so clear. I can understand her more than some people in Southeast around me. More than some Igbo dialects in Southeast. I understand her very well. This is, she claimed to be from Ika. Though I don't know whether she's a Bini girl. But then, look at the distance between Anambra State and the Ika. Check the distance. But I can understand her very well. Now, note what she's saying. She's accusing Nna Mehn TV of promoting a Biafra project. And I've never had Nna Mehn TV talk about Biafra. He's always saying, Unify Igbo project. And he's not forcing anybody. He's not tricking anybody into it. No. He's just, when he approaches you, he will tell you, this is how we relate. He will speak and you will speak and they will see if we understand each other. Like I said earlier, what are the essence of meeting? Having your village meeting, having meeting of your state, having meeting of people who speak same language with you. She uses Amadioha. She calls Chukwu Okike Abiama. He said, Chukwu Okike Abiama Bogioko. He said, Chineke. Oh my God, I felt so bad. And one guy called Wounded Civilian is sharing this video because he's, it is his delight to share, to see that Igbos are divided. If not, why will an Edo man be sharing this? What is his gain? He shared this video and he's so pleased with it. So you wonder why will an Edo man be opposed to Igbos unifying among themselves? I can't understand. Sometimes they say the problem of black man is from black man. Why will people so much hate to see that relatives come together? An outsider takes delight in seeing that relatives fight. She said Nna Mehn TV is on a mission to do referendum, indirect referendum. I have never had Nna Mehn TV mention Biafra. If he has done, maybe I've not seen the video. But then, I always heard him say, Unify Igbo Project. That's what I've heard him say. Now she talks about the Southeast map. Was it Southeast from when? Even as at 1966, it wasn't called Southeast. As at 1960, there was not even anything like the regional map. When did all this thing come? So, it is better we Igbos look at ourselves, who we are before the colonial era. How do we relate? Like I told you, even without the bridge, Onitsha Bridge, we still meet with our brothers in other part of the world. Okay, it wasn't a country then. And by the way, check it out. No, there's no disconnection. There's no disconnection between we and the Igbos on the other side, despite the waters. And she's talking about Anyama has to come together, that we should be pushed aside. Onitsha in Anambra State, because she's talking about Southeast. Onitsha is in Southeast too. She doesn't know. Obaru is in Southeast. You know, the way this lady is acting upon this, with so much rage. Why? Elders in the place need to talk to her. This kind of energy should be applied to something good and not in opposing your people. Self-hate is the most destructive thing. Somebody hating himself or herself is very damaging. People induce you to hate yourself. Can you see the rage from a woman? You will do this, you will do this. For what? Did anybody hurt you? Did anybody? Nobody's trying to force you into any unity. They are only telling you this is this. This is a kind of preaching, just like Christianity does. There is no force in it. She said in Ika Agbor Igbo Facebook, like I told you, like I said, I understand everything she was saying. Her Igbo is so clear. I don't know whether she learned it. If that is Ika Igbo, then it is same Igbo with mine in Anambra. She's threatening traditional rulers, that some traditional rulers are supporting the project, that they would destroy them. Can you imagine? I hope she's a married woman. And think about it. Think about it. Just being wicked on herself and hostile for nothing. Don't know whether she is really Ika or maybe Edo where they hear Igbo. Why are Edo people so much angry about seeing that Igbos unite? She even mentioned the 4 market days while trying to abuse Nna Mehn TV. Again, I don't see Nna Mehn TV doing a Biafran work. Unifying Igbo. Those who are talking about Biafra also include non-Igbo speakers. But the case of Nna Mehn TV, he's talking about Igbo speakers. He's only interested in Igbo speakers. People that have Igbo ancestry. Now she's talking about, okay, she said Nna Mehn TV is not from Igbo land, but he's from Southeast, and coming to Ika that they will break his leg, this and that. What about Igbo TV that is from Ika? You want them destroyed because they want to identify truly with who they are. What a disgrace. Nobody is forcing anybody in Nna Mehn TV Unify Igbo Project. I've never seen any force. I've never seen Nna Mehn TV with guns, holding people by their throat or at gunpoint, telling them you must be Igbo. I see something that is very social. Hello, this is this is this. Say this in Igbo. Say this in your language. This is almost same with what with ours. Your dialect is Igbo. So I've never seen him, holding people at tight corners, trying to force them to be what they are not. She said it's a referendum. Oh my God. Hey. See the rage. This rage can be applied to something good. This hatred, this animosity can be applied to achieve something good and not what she's doing. Or viewers, what do you think? Please share this video widely. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more updates. Ona bye bye, and I here I go stop this one.